should work actively to promote inclusive and uniform development, ensuring no province, no district, and no village is left behind. The House should ensure development is not limited to a few select areas but reaches every nook and corner of the country. The ignored and neglected areas demand urgent attention from the federal government. We also need investments in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and economic opportunities to address the sense of deprivation. Parliament is the one forum where any sense of deprivation cannot just be aired constructively but also addressed with political empathy. By the executive branch, that is the test of real statecraft. In this regard, improving our taxation system is essential to moving forward as a country. We must reform and expand our tax net, not overburdening those who already